water all over me.
It didn't work.
I'm gonna make sure everyone knows how stupid shit you did.
Where'd it go? Hey! that rocked my literally.
What were you gonna say? That rocked.
What was I gonna say?
That rocked your world? Is that what you're gonna say? I mean, feeling you're gonna hear it.
I got it in my eye. I feel like a porn star. I am a porn star. Oh.
Not a well-paid one.
It's on my nose. And I still have a fucking hiccup. God damn it. It won't mix in my mouth. It's oil and water. Oh, that's weird. Glass of bleach. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. I hope you got that.
I did.
Okay.
So I got that.
Is that what?
So I got that.
Wait. This is my grave right now. So this is what my shower water comes out of?
Yes, it is.
I'm gonna die of dysentery on the Oregon Trail of this.
Introduce. Upstage hand. No, downstage hand, I mean. Wait, fuck, what do I mean? No, upstage hand. Rena doesn't know her theater terms. Move your other hand up so it's not blocking your face. Your other hand, that one. The one with the thing on the wrist.
So I'll just do this one.
Yeah, that one.
We'll pull the water.
Yes.
Alright.
Introduce yourself. Introduce the thing.
Okay, I'm distracted. Drink as much water as possible. Hi, I'm Brett Litt, and welcome to Jackass. Whoa.